Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add open to work on LinkedIn. So now without any further ado, let's start with the steps. So firstly, launch LinkedIn application on your device. Now, once you are here, tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner. Now tap on the option of view profile just under your name. Now, once you come to your main profile, you can show you are open to work by simply tapping on your profile picture. After that, you would see the option of add frame, but in my case, as I have already added the frame, I'll see the option of edit frame. You can simply tap on the option of add frame and add the frame of open to work. Now, another thing that you can do is tap on open to. Now, tap on the option of providing services for now. Now you can see how this feature works. Tap on continue. Now over here you have to add the details about what kind of service are you willing to provide to the companies. So you can see that I have filled in all these details according to my preferences. Now simply tap on the option of publish. So by doing these easy steps, you will be able to add open to work on LinkedIn. So this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.